Congratulations. This is your comeback movie after a long time.
Well, I don't know if you call it a comeback movie, but it's
When was the last time you do?
that was in the one of Etiquette of a Mistress.
Yeah. Medyo comedy yata
No,
yun.
no, it was drama.
Drama. Pero when was the last time you do horror?
Matagal na. Hindi naman ito horror. It's a
Psychological thriller. So, paano po kayo na-excite dun sa character nyo? Why you accepted the role?
Well, as I said, because the character is very interesting. She's an old woman who has some kind of mystery around her, and there's a lot of nuances in the character and the role, and it's a good role.
Tapos, sanay na po ba kayo na tuwing gagawa kayo ng film, yung mga baguhang actor, or kahit yung mga luma na medyo natatakot sa inyo, kala nila medyo mataray daw?
Sanay na ako siya because they don't really know me. That's why I was reassuring them.
Pero ito po, ano pong masasabi nyo doing this film? Sabi, first time to work with Direk Louie.
Yeah.
Kamusta po? Napapanood nyo rin po ba yung mga ginawa niyang film before? And
Well, I probably have. But I've seen so many films in the past, and sometimes my memory fails me. So sometimes, but I believe that I believe that he can do it. And he's been awarded so many times.
and Jelly also, no?
Yeah.
First time to work
No,
with...
Jelly, I've worked before. I've worked with her.
Ngayon po, ano yan, parang you stay na po for good in Cebu.
Not really. I come back and forth. It depends on where I'm needed.
Pero on the other side, if you're not doing a film or a movie on showbiz, what do you do in
I have
Cebu?
businesses. I have a resort in Pasco Island. I have a beach resort, and I also have some personal, business in the city.
Are you hands-on with
Yes,
your business?
Real estate.
Pero of course, if you're an artist, talagang you're forever an artist. Parang ganun. Nami-miss nyo po ba yung mga ganito?
Oo naman.
Oo. Any actors or young actors that you want to work with soon, if given a chance po? May
I'm
nakikita
not
niyo?
so updated with young actors nowadays because I haven't really been exposed to a lot of them. But I'm always looking forward to working with the good ones.
And about this Mancha, bakit po kailangan panoorin ng mga manonood po itong movie na
Kailangan
to?
nilang panoorin ito because it has a psychological effect on families, on relationships of people. As I said earlier, how we treat our children, how we treat each other as friends or even as family, and they will learn something from this.
Please invite them to watch.
I would like to invite each and every one of you to watch Mancha. The title itself is very intriguing, and we hope to make this movie a real good one. So I hope to see you in the cinemas.
Thank
God
you,
bless.
Ms. Pilar.